Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji. Today, I am proud to speak about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, his vision then, its relevance now, and how we, as citizens, can regenerate his ideals in today's India. Shivaji Maharaj was not just a brave warrior, he was a nation builder far ahead of his time. His vision was clear: Swarajya, a rule based on justice, respect, equality, and discipline. He believed that a kingdom is strong not only by its army but by the values, ethics, and the responsibility of the people. Because for him, Swarajya manje satta nave, Swarajya manje swabhiman. Shivaji Maharaj's administration was modern, even by today's standards. He established efficient governance, water conservation, fort management, and people-centric policies. His forts were symbols of planning, self-reliance, self-belief, and respect for nature, not destruction. Shivaji Maharaj proved that courage and wisdom can change the course of history. One of the most remarkable aspects of Shivaji Maharaj was his great respect for women. He believed that women are goddess. ज्या काळात अन्याय होता त्या काळात शिवाजी महाराज न्याय बनवून उभे राहिले. At a time when women were treated as war trophies, Shivaji Maharaj strictly ordered that women must be protected, honored, and respected. Any soldier who disrespected a woman was severely punished, and captured women were treated like mothers and sisters and returned with dignity. Let's look at his vision today. Today we talk about women empowerment, but true empowerment begins with mindset. The same mindset Shivaji Maharaj lived by. How can we regenerate his ideals in today's modern India? First, by becoming responsible, honest, and duty-oriented. Second, by respecting our land, by protecting our heritage, like his forts. Well, how are his forts now? Isn't that a good question? His forts are well preserved, like Raigad, Pratapgarh, and even Shivneri. Some forts may be damaged, but even in ruins, the forts tell the stories of intelligence, bravery, and Swarajya. How can we regenerate his ideals in today's modern India? Let's look at his vision. Let's ask ourselves, are we disciplined like him? Do we respect women like him? Do we protect our land and heritage like him? If the answer is yes, then Shivaji Maharaj lives through us. I conclude the words that echo through history and inspire generations. Let's move on to the third step. By respecting women, that's over. By serving the nation selflessly, fourth. By respecting our elders, fifth. By teaching the younger generation. कारण शिवाजी महाराजांचे विचार तरुण पिढीपर्यंत पोहोचले तर आपण उज्ज्वल भविष्य घडवू. At last, I would just like to say, असा महान राजा पुन्हा होणे नाही. रयतेच्या सुखासाठी ज्यांनी आयुष्य अर्पण केले तो महान राजा म्हणजे शिवाजी महाराज. शिवाजी महाराज हे फक्त योद्धा नव्हते, तर स्वराज्याच्या विचारांचे जिवंत प्रतीक होते. शिवराय म्हणजे आत्मसन्मान, शिवराय म्हणजे धैर्य. जय शिवाजी.